Hello and welcome to my channel and my new watch review. In my hands I have simple and clean Casio Edifice EFR S107. Truly a wonderful timepiece to be seen on your wrist. Attention to details and combining polished with brushed design is spot on. Although people prefer Edifice EFR S108, which resembles Gerald Genta's octagonal design much more, I have to say that this watch is also very beautiful and clean looking. A classic timeless design with clean dial that has some sort of pattern, and to top all that comes the sapphire crystal, which is a rare thing to see on a lower end watches. Sapphire crystal ensures you will be able to have a clean look on your nice looking dial. Watch functions are basic. It tells time and date, period. Combining the colored second hand and dial sapphire marking with the same color is a nice detail. Also, a very nice touch are these screws on the bezel, which are symmetrical and stand out on a brushed bezel. Crown is engraved with Edifice logo and protected with crown guards. Also, to add to the symmetry, there is a bulge on the other side of the watch. Both of them are polished. Watch hands are coated with luminous paint, but the markers are not. Date window is, let's call it, smallish, but you can read the date nevertheless. Weighing it at 117 grams and in following dimensions, here it is how it looks on my 7-inch wrist. Powering this watch is done by a single SR916SW battery, which should last for 3 years. Water resistance is up to 200 meters. Pretty much that would sum up my review of this gem. It is a very cool looking watch, simple and clean as I've said it before, a timeless classic. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you are into watch related content, please subscribe. Thank you.